must be at parting to meet me at the springtime here at sea on roses blooming. The blossoms all they disappear. Return, my dearest Emmet, for sure the spring will soon be o'er. Fair long have blown the breezes, oh, when shall I see thee more? He went to look for treasures, they found, they say, in London town, and 'tis for me he means them, both gold, sword, and silken gown. I was but thee, my dearest, nor silken gown, nor golden store. Fair long have blown the breezes, so when shall I see thee more? Why go to that great city? Oh, why so far from another road? Return to those that love thee. There's little love so far from home.